Hi guys, welcome back to the video. I'm Maury with Momo AI Tools, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to convert blog to video with Fliki. Now you may be somebody that's either has Fliki or you just want to see how you can do it. You may be thinking about getting Fliki. If so, if you haven't already, be sure to click the link down below to create a free account. And if you haven't already, if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, especially if you like these kind of videos. And if you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the back office to Fliki, um, and it's pretty simple to use. It's nothing major, nothing complex. So what you want to do here is just go to start new file, and then I'm just going to do testing. Now I'm going to leave it as video because it's not going to be an audio. We want it to do video, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do here is go to blog, and then I'm going to get a blog, a URL. So as you can see here, it can either be short, medium, or full. So I'm going to do a 1 minute. I'm going to come over here, and then I'm going to just copy this URL and then paste it on here. So we're going to let it process, and what it's doing is it's summarizing this whole article into it just being a minute long. Okay, so we're gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna pause it and then come back when it's ready. Oh, never mind, it's ready. All right. I'm going to delete that because I don't want it to say testing. So what it did was it converted this blog post into a 1 minute video. Now, as you can see, you can't do a whole blog post in 1 minute in a 1 minute video, but I'm just going to go ahead and play this for you.
Fliki Review 2023 Best AI Video Generation Text to Video Software. Fliki is an AI text-to-speech and text-to-video converter tool. Fliki supports 700 plus voices and 65 plus languages and dialects. Use cases for Fliki include podcast, audiobook, and video creation. Fliki offers a free trial and affordable pricing plans. Users can customize their audio and video creations with background music and custom pronunciations. Fliki has a simple interface and offers customer support. Pros of Fliki include affordability, lifetime free trial, and background audio integration. Cons of Fliki include limited video customization options.
So there you have it. That's the video. Now, if you want to actually add like stock footage, stock library, AI art, and things like that, you can do that here. So it's really up to you, but it's really nothing special with Fliki. It does what it needs to do. It's pretty simple. So as you can see, I was able to make this video into a 1 minute video. Now, if I go back and I want to do a 5 minute video, let's see what it'll do. Well, I'm not able to do that because I only got the free version. But if I were to get a like the standard or the premium, I should be able to do that. And then whenever you're ready, you can just export it. Now, again, with the free one, you do have a watermark, and you also have that with the basic package. If you want to get rid of that watermark, then you would have to use the premium or the standard package, okay? So I just wanted to come in here and show y'all how simple it is to use. And with that being said, if you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. As you can see, it's processing here. I don't need to process, I just wanted to show y'all that. And also, hold on, before I leave, if you want to change his voice, you can change it. Like if you don't want Sarah, you can use
Fliki
Pam.
helps you create audio and video content.
You can use
Fliki
Jacob.
helps you create audio and video content using lifelike. Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices and.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices.
So, as you can see, you're able to do that too. And then if you ever want to clone your voice, you can come in here, go to account, and then go to voice cloning. And then you can clone your own voice so that your voice can be an AI voice too. So I find that pretty cool. With that being said, I don't want to make this video too long. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.